There comes a time in every appliance's life when it costs more to repair it than it does to replace it. So what do you do with that appliance? To tell us more about a refrigerator recycling program offered by Alliant Energy, we have Devin Weaver. Thanks for joining us, Devin.
Thanks for having me, Megan.
So why should we recycle our appliances?
Well, there's a lot of benefits, environmental benefits, and then it's an easy program for our customers to take advantage of to keep the appliances out of the landfill with all the harmful materials that are part of the appliance.
Now, some people may think, why don't I just sell my appliance? Why is that not a good option?
Well, really just prolonging the problem of keeping that energy inefficient appliance, and then that person that gets that older unit, their bill doesn't go down.
Now, your Alliant Energy Iowa program is pretty terrific. Can you explain what the program's all about and what the benefits are?
It's a really great program, as you mentioned. It's easy and free to our customer, and we pay them $50 per appliance that we pick up.
Wow, that's $50 that they can then invest in a more efficient model.
Right, and another benefit is by getting that more efficient appliance is they can save upwards of $100 to $150 on that energy savings.
So people would see, by getting a new unit, you see those results right away in your bill.
Yeah, you'll start to see them pretty soon.
So can you explain to us who actually qualifies for your particular program?
Yeah, it's all of our Iowa Electric customers qualify for the program as long as the appliance is running a motor that cools, and it's under a certain cubic size. So basically anything that's behind here.
Okay. Now, there may be other programs available, right, through other utility companies?
That's correct. A lot of utilities offer programs similar to this or pretty close to, but you'd want to check with them.
So, Devin, once the unit arrives to this facility, what happens?
Well, they start unloading the unit safely, and that's where they really get down to the nitty-gritty and the dirt work of taking it all apart. They'll start opening the fridge and taking out all the shelves and then taking off handles, stuff like that. That's where they will start to, deconstruct to get at all those materials, which there's a wonderful display here that kind of shows the typical material that goes into a fridge or a freezer. And we have the electric cords, there's steel and aluminum, again, the plastic shelving or the trays that are in the fridge or freezer. And we have the copper from the tubing, and then the tempered glass that's in there. And then as they keep going through this process, then they get down into where the foam is, which is behind the steel and the aluminum and those shelves where they took it out earlier in the process. And then they take out capacitors, and then they take out that refrigerant. They reclaim that refrigerant and then hold it where they can properly dispose of it and keep it out of the environment.
So out of all of the materials that we see here, what's the percentage that can be recycled?
So it varies by appliance, but anywhere between 90 to 95% of the appliance can be recycled.
Wow, that makes you feel pretty good, doesn't it?
It makes me feel wonderful.
So what happens to that other 5 to 10% that cannot be recycled?
So yeah, it gets properly disposed of. The foam really gets incinerated, and then the rest just keeps out of the landfill.
Great, and how much does this particular facility process in a year, say?
Yeah, so it processes 15,000 units a year, which is 4 million pounds of material.
Wow, that's a great service.
It is.
So I know some landfills offer recycling programs. Why is this a better option?
Well, it's really an effortless program for our customer where we just come pick it up for them. And again, we're able to keep it out of the landfill and recycle it. And that customer gets the $50 and a lower energy bill. Again, this is all for our Iowa customers. There may be different programs offered in Wisconsin or other utilities.
Great, certainly worth investigating.
It definitely is.
Thank you so much for the information, Devin.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Megan.
If you'd like to learn more about environmentally sound practices for your PowerHouse, visit our website, powerhousetv.com.
Of the major appliances in a home, gas ranges have the longest life expectancy, 15 years. Dryers and refrigerators last about 13 years. Some of the appliances with the shortest lifespan are compactors, 6 years, dishwashers, 9 years, and microwave ovens, 9 years.